Mine.
Yes. Fine.
How about you,
Yes?
Mama?
Okay. No issues, Bala. So, Anvit, do
Yeah.
you like maths? Arey badhiya. I also like maths. Okay. So, shall we start?
Yes.
Perfect. Okay, Bala.
Vaga
So,
acidum.
sorry, Bala.
And what's it? Vaga acidum.
Academy.
Vaga Academy, baby. It's the website's name.
Okay.
Okay. My name is Nikita. Okay. And you're Anvit.
I can see you. I can see your name.
Yes. So, shall we start? Yay. Okay. I'm very excited, by the way. So, see, Anvit. Basically, सबसे पहले today we are going to discuss about numbers. Okay. Okay.
Numbers 1 to 100.
Yes, baby. 1 to
I
100.
know.
We will.
I can tell it very fast.
Okay, that's great. We will play some games then. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So there are different types of numbers, Anvit, right?
Yeah.
जैसे कि if I say, do you know what are natural numbers? Have you ever heard about the natural numbers?
Number, ma'am.
See, baby. Just a second now. It's natural numbers. Is it visible what I'm writing on the board?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. See, betu. Normally, numbers कहाँ से start होते हैं Anvit? From which digit?
2 digit.
No, baby. Like number series कहाँ से चालू होती? From where it begins? From 1?
Yes.
Yes. So see, Balu, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Okay.
Okay.
So the number series which begin with 1, those number are known as natural numbers.
Okay.
Okay. But
Yeah.
there is one issue. What about 0? 0 comes before 1, na betu?
Yes.
So the series which starts from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Okay. That series of number is known as whole number. Whole numbers. Okay, Anvit?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very easy to remember. See, betu, whole. This looks like whole. But which hole? H-O-L-E wala hole. H-O-L-E hole. But here the spelling is W-H-O-L-E. Okay?
It's whole only.
Yes. So it looks like whole na betu?
Yes.
0? Yes.
Yeah.
So the number starts from 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Those numbers are known as whole numbers. Clear?
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay. Then the other numbers. Do you know what are consecutive numbers?
No, what's called consecutive numbers?
Do you know? Array. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you see any gap between two numbers, betu? Can you see any gap? Like 1 के बाद 2 ही है, बराबर? Yes, so consecutive numbers are those numbers जो एक के बाद एक आते हैं. Like 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. Okay? Those are consecutive numbers.
Okay.
Clear? Okay?
Yeah.
Perfect. Then there are other numbers like odd numbers. Odd numbers तो आपको पता होंगे. What are odd numbers, बेटू?
Numbers are called 1, 3.
Yes. 5.
5, 5,
Yes.
7, and 9.
Yes. So those numbers are odd numbers. Okay.
Yeah.
But now you tell me, is 37 is odd number?
Yeah.
Why? You only tell me the numbers with 1, 7, 3, 5, 9. Then how come 37 is an odd number?
Because in one's place, 7 is an odd
Yes.
number.
Yes. So that is the definition, Betu. That if at one's place the digits are 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9, those numbers are odd numbers.
If it comes like 36, it's not an odd number. It's an
It's
even
not an
number.
odd number. Yes, it's an even number. We will see about that. But did you clear what are odd numbers? Okay, Betu, clear?
Yes.
Virtual high five. Right? Okay. There is one more definition that odd numbers are those numbers like if you divide those number with 2. Okay. Do you know na divisions? Division थोड़ा बहुत पता है आपको?
3 digit.
No, you don't. No.
I don't know division.
Oh, no. It's okay, Betu. But normal basic division, do you know what is division? One mathematical operation. Okay, no issues then.
Only addition, subtraction, and multiplication.
Okay, Betu, no issues. So, आपको odd numbers clear हो गए? What are odd numbers? Ones के place पे क्या होना चाहिए? 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9.
Ends with 9, starts with 1.
Sorry, Betu.
Ends with 9, starts with 1.
It's not necessary, Betu, it starts with 1. Like if I see 67, not starting with 1, na, but it is ending with 7. I'm only talking about ones place, Betu. Ones place, you know, na, this one.
Yes, I know.
Okay, clear bala odd numbers. Then there is other term is even numbers.
Yeah.
Yes. So even numbers are those numbers.
Even
Tell me.
numbers are 0, 2, 3,
0, 2,
2, 4,
Yes.
6, 8,
Yes.
and
8.
8. This much.
Yes. So again, the definition will be it at one's place it should be 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8.
If both odd numbers and even numbers are in one's place only.
Yes, Betu, in one's place only. So can you give me some example for even numbers?
Okay, I'm thinking.
Okay, Betu.
44.
Perfect. 44. Good boy.
Um, 86.
86. Perfect. Okay. Give me any
98.
3-digit number. 98. Perfect. Any 3-digit number?
Okay. I'm thinking. 396.
396. Perfect. Very good. And one more.
380.
380. Perfect. Okay. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay. Perfect. Now there is one more type of number. Have you know about cardinal and ordinal numbers?
Ordinal and ordinal numbers, I don't know that.
Okay, no issues, baby. It's very easy. बहुत ही ज़्यादा easy. You will see कि ma'am. Okay, I know these numbers. Okay, so I'll click a new page. Okay.
Ma'am, tell those two numbers name I forgotten. Ordinal
Cardinal and ordinal. Ordinal.
and ordinal.
Yes. See, I'm writing over here. Take a second. Yeah, it's C A
What are
R
these?
D I N L. Cardinal. Okay. So cardinal numbers is a number that denote the count of any object. Okay. Like I'm drawing here stars. Okay. Now count the stars here.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So how many stars are there?
6.
6. Okay. So cardinal numbers are those numbers that denote the count of any object. Okay. जिससे हम लोग काउंट कर सके like 1 2 3 4 and so on 100 101 like that.
What's meaning of so on?
Sorry,
So on.
So on. What's
on.
meaning?
So on, it's like that 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 to the infinity. Okay, understood, Bala?
Like
Like, see,
you wrote
see Bala, I cannot write here pura 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 वगैरह वगैरह, right? Because I don't have that space.
Ma'am, I know that. That's why I'm asking you that you are writing because you don't have space, because you don't have a big
Yes.
page. I'm
Screen.
asking for
Yes.
that only.
Okay, yes, Betu. I don't have big page and I don't have time to write down. Okay, so that's why I have written like this: dot 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 dot. So this dot dot is nothing but your so on. ये आगे बढ़ते जा रहे वो numbers. Okay. Okay. So cardinal is clear to you, Betu. What are cardinal numbers? Cardinal numbers are those numbers that count of any object.
Of any
Okay.
object. Ma'am, what's meaning
Okay.
of object?
Okay, Betu. Object is like I have drawn stars here. Object is nothing but a thing. Okay. Like if I'm drawing here, if I'm एक second, okay. So these are balls, right?
Yeah.
These are nothing but objects.
Objects.
Stars.
Okay.
Object. Stars. Object.
What are these?
Flowers. Flowers. Okay. Clear, Betu?
Yes.
So cardinal is clear to you?
Yes. What about the ordinal? Is it backwards?
Yes. No, not backwards, baby. I'll tell you. Just a second, Betu. Ordinal numbers.
Is it skip counting?
Yes, Betu?
Is it skip counting?
No, Betu. Skip counting, no. So, ordinal number is a number that denotes the position. Just a second, denotes the position. Now, what does that mean? Okay, just imagine.
Denote.
Denotes the position. Okay. Just imagine you, me and your mama. ठीक है? हम तीनों ने कुछ तो भी कंपटीशन रखा. ठीक है? We played some game and उसमें जो भी विनर था हम उसको क्या बोलेंगे? वो कौन सा विनर है? मतलब कौन से नंबर पर है वो विनर? कैसे बोला जाता? फर्स्ट,
सेकंड, थर्ड
and fourth. Okay, so what I have done here, मैंने क्या बताया उसका?
Denotes
Position.
the
Position. So I show the position कि mama is first, you are second, and I'm third. Okay, so those are ordinal numbers.
And fourth?
Fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth.
Fourth is my
10th.
brother.
Okay, fourth is your brother. Okay. So just look here, okay. If cardinal is 3, okay. Cardinal में ये क्या है? 3, and in ordinal, what I will say, it's third.
Third. Yeah.
And what about 6? Now what about this number? Just a second. What is cardinal number?
Cardinal number is called any object.
Yes, count of any object. So what is this?
6.
Okay, and ordinal में मैं कैसे बोलूंगी इसको?
6th.
Very good. Dude, बहुत जल्दी सीख गए आप तो. Nice. Okay, understood?
Yeah. Ma'am, how do you know cursive?
Sorry, how?
How do you know cursive?
Cursive.
Yeah.
You don't know cursive?
I know. I learned it in UKG.
Okay, same here, baby. I also learned in my UKG. Okay. What about this number?
10.
10, right? So it's TEN, 10. And what about ordinal? 10th. Okay. Got it?
Yeah. When we want to spell it as th, we have to write TH.
TH. TH for th. 10th, 6th, 7th, 8th. Okay.
Yeah. These.
High five. Clear?
Clear.
Okay. So, quick recap. Okay. So first we have seen natural numbers. Yes, natural number starts with
I forgot what's called natural number again.
don't get panic. Okay, first हमने सबसे पहले क्या देखा था? Natural numbers. Natural numbers कहाँ से चालू होते थे? मैंने आपको बोला number series में. It starts with 1, 2. Very good. See, you remember everything. 1, 2, 3. And what about whole numbers? Anvit, whole number starts with. मैंने आपको एक ड्राइंग बताई थी कि ये किसके जैसे दिख रहा? होल जैसे. It look like whole.
Stars. I don't remember, ma'am.
0.
0.
0, 1, 2, 3.
3.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then we have seen odd numbers.
And we have seen odd numbers.
Odd numbers, even numbers,
Even numbers and natural numbers.
whole numbers, natural numbers, odd numbers, even numbers, cardinal and ordinal.
Cardinal and ordinal.
Clear यहाँ तक सब आपको अच्छे से? Got it?
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay. Now, okay. So, just a second. Yeah. Okay. So now, okay. Anvit, do you know betu place value, face value?
Face value, I don't know, ma'am.
Okay, you don't have place value and face value. Okay, ठीक है. How many digits? How many digits? Number digits you know betu? Like 2 digit, 3 digit.
4 digit.
Oh, perfect. Now tell me which number is this?
356.
356.
356.
Yes, baby. Now this one.
805.
Very good. Now this one.
1435.
1435. 1435.
1435.
Okay. Now see betu. This is very easy. आप बोलोगे बहुत easy है. First, look here. Okay. This is 1435. Now कैसे दी जाती place value? This is ones.
Ones. Tens.
Okay.
tens and hundreds.
100. And then
Thousands.
clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So see, what is place value? See, Anvit, place value is nothing but it shows the value of a number, value of a digit. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay? Now see, मैं बताती आपको कैसे. Okay. So can you tell me the value of a 5 in 1435? क्या value है 5 की? It is at which place?
Ones place.
So the place value is
5.
5 only. Okay? For 3, which place is at?
10.
So 3 into 10. That is?
6.
So the place value of 3 is 30. Okay? Now the place value of 4. Which place is it?
Hundreds.
100. So I will multiply with
100.
so how much it will be?
I can't know. 400, I think.
That's it. That's it. Okay. We will not do 1000 right now. But did you understand for 400, 30 and 5? हम लोग expansion करते थे. You remember, Anvit? Like, see, we used to expand. Like, if I want to expand this number, how will I write? Sorry? Okay, see, okay. We will take पहले 2-digit number, 75. How can I write 70 plus 5? Yes?
70 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 5. 75.
70. Yes, baby, it's 75. But you know now how to do this expansion of a number? How we expand like 70 plus 5. So how can write for this? So it's like 400 plus 30 plus 5. Do you know how to do expansion?
I know.
No, Betu, you didn't learn. कोई issue नहीं. We will do. Okay? So ठीक है. Place value and face value we will do एकदम आराम से. कोई issue नहीं. Okay? But आपको उसके पहले whole numbers, natural numbers ये सब चीजें clear हो गई?
I didn't understand.
Sorry?
Ma'am, I didn't understand.
Can you repeat?
You cleared na whole numbers, natural numbers, and even, odd. And for this ye place value and face value we will learn aram se. Okay? Okay, so I have something for you. We will do that. Just a minute. Okay, so you know na increasing and decreasing order.
Yeah, it's ascending and descending.
Yes, ascending and descending. So the first question is you have to arrange in increasing order. So these are some numbers. Okay, so can you tell me?
Okay, then let me choose which is the smallest number.
Yes.
32 first.
Okay, 32.
32, then after 32, 48.
Okay, 48.
48, then again 48. No, not. Then again 48 because there are two 48s.
Yes. Again 48. Okay.
Then after 48, then it's 58.
58. Okay.
Then 68.
Then 68. Okay.
Then 75.
Then 75. Perfect. Now for the second.
Okay. First is 43. No. First is 32.
Okay. Then
Then it's 43.
it's 43. Okay.
Then it's 72.
Okay. Perfect, Bala.
Then it's 84.
Then it's 84. Perfect.
99.
99. Yes. And then it's
100.
Century. Yay. Perfect. Now you have to arrange in decreasing order. That is descending.
Okay, I was just falling. First is 100.
Okay.
Next is 99.
Okay.
No, 90. I don't. Okay.
But where is
Next
99?
No, it's 92. I just.
Okay. It's 92. Okay.
92 and then after 92. Yes. 85.
Okay. 85.
85. I think 62.
Okay. 62. Perfect.
39.
There is one more
Okay.
number.
Now I got 48. 48.
Okay. 48. And then
39.
39. Perfect. Yay. Now for the next. Second.
Second. Okay. Let me think. Let me see which is the longest number. First is 85. No, 90. 90.
Okay. First is 98. Then
Then it's 85.
it's 85. Okay. Perfect.
Then it's 76.
Nice. 76.
68.
68. Perfect.
45.
Oh, perfect. 45. Nice.
40.
40. Yes. High five. Yeah. Good job. Now you just have to counting backwards.
Right? 69 to 59.
Yes. 58.
69, 50, 68.
8.
Then it's and there's only less lines. How can it comes to 58? Fine, I'll try. 68, 67. 66.
Okay. 66.
66, then 65,
Okay.
64,
Okay.
63,
Okay.
62,
Huh?
61,
Yes.
and 60,
Yes.
59,
Yes.
58.
Yep. Perfect. Now, can you do this?
Yeah, I like this.
Okay. Perfect then. First.
Okay, I can actually have to do with fingers in addition.
Okay. अभी तो कर लेंगे. Then we will do something else. 60 plus 7.
60 plus 7, okay? $67.
Okay, this is 67 and this is 48. So which one is bigger?
67.
Yeah, perfect. Second.
33 plus 1. 31.
31?
Okay, I'll try again.
Just do mentally, Betu. 33 plus 1. 33 plus 1, that is
Okay,
34.
now I got it. Mama, actually I did 30 plus 1.
Okay, okay, understood, understood. So it's 34 and 27. So which one is greater?
34.
Yes.
34 and 27. Yeah, 34
Yeah.
only.
The next 46 plus 2
6 plus 2.
and 53.
Okay.
6 in the mind.
46 element 2 plus 46. 47, 48. I think 46 plus 2.
Hey, wait. 46 plus 2 is 48, Betu. And there is 53.
Yeah, I'm telling that only.
Okay. So the answer is
58. 53.
53. Okay. Next, 90 minus 4.
Oh. Actually, I'm up to the borrowing. I need book.
Okay. So, okay, Bitu. I'll write here plus 90 plus 4.
Okay. Thank you. 90.
Welcome, Bitu.
92. Ma'am, 90
Yes.
plus 4. It says
Yes.
because 90 plus 4 equals to 92.
94.
92.
Bitu, 90 plus 4 है ना? 90 plus 4 is 94.
But I just do it 90 and 4.
Yes.
Oh, I did with 2 fingers. It was ended with 2 fingers.
No issues, Bitu. Okay, next. 70 plus 7.
70 plus 7 as well. You have to do it 70. 70, 71, 72, 26, 8. 71, 72, 23, 24, 75, 26, 77.
Okay, and here it is 66. So which one is greater, Bitu?
No, 70 plus 7 because it equals to 77.
Yes. And the last one is 50 minus 5.
Okay. I'm just
So 50.
talking the borrowing. Okay, let me do borrowing.
Okay, you can do. It's 50 minus 5.
50 and 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Equals to 65.
Betu, you have to subtract now. Look here. See? Is it visible to you? 50 minus 5. What it will become? It will become 10. 10 less 5, 5. 45.
Oh.
So which one is greater? 45 or 50?
50.
50. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay. So, Anvit, जो हुआ आज?
What?
Did you understand all the concepts
Yeah.
we have learned? Okay. And did you enjoy the class?
Yes.
Okay.